So that's what we got there. So it says 105 plus 70, that's already 175,000, plus 71 is 176,000, plus 20,000, that's 206,000, 8090. That's 196,000. 196,000 plus 14,000, so let's call it 200,000 plus. And that's only 25 kb each. But I think if you are the one that buy the transformer on your own, but you know, we just let somebody buy it for us, because we know that the expenses of going there, finding the place to buy, the transportations from Cebu to here, so you know. And then we also bring that in Hagna, not us, but we let somebody bring that in Hagna, and we spend around 3,000 pesos, including the fees there, and also the tip for the to the person that brought it there. Yeah, so I'm just glad that our problems on the transformer is done, you know, because we got visitors staying, and we cannot use 2 bedrooms with 2 aircons, you know. We cannot do that because it can't, you know. So that's why it's a relief that before the end of the year we're able to hit our target, which is to have the transformer connected to our area.
Good.